All right, everybody, welcome back. I have completed the new drum and I've completed the new V-gate motor. So it's all ready to go. You can see the magnets are placed all completely inside the holes. I just used a hot glue gun to place them inside, and they fit inside really nicely. Yeah, they stayed in really well. Got my 3D printed timing wheel. You can see the timing magnets right here that actuate the magnetic reed switch right there. I 3D printed the stand for the reed switch. I also had to 3D print some collars to keep the axle from sliding back and forth with some set screws. These are the original stands, but I have the 3D print files for those as well. This is a new coil stand. I printed this also. So yeah, it's ready to go. I have ran it, and it's not as fast as I'd hoped it would be. But yeah, so let's see what it does. I'm going to turn on my multimeter to monitor the current, the average current going into the coil. And I turn on my power supply. And here we go. And you can see it goes pretty good. It's pretty fast. See all the 3D printed parts, the axle, the skateboard bearings, everything works really well. It's nice and balanced, nice and quiet. So the whole circuit works really well. The circuit works well. I've got two MOSFETs in parallel. So it's not as fast as the old drum was. I'm not sure. Maybe I just have to mess with the timing on the timing wheel. But it goes up to about 400 RPM. So yeah, pretty good. So I'm going to put the 3D print files in the description below. A place on Google Drive where you can download the 3D print files if you want to print these parts out for yourself and build one, as well as the parts list with the sources where you can go and get the parts if you want to build one of these yourself. So I just want to throw that out there to the community, make it open source. So hopefully you guys can make improvements on this. I'm going to continue to develop the concept of magnetic neutralization, make this better. Probably not a V-gate motor. Probably going to do it with an axial flux motor, and hopefully get some better torque out of it so that I can drive a generator and see what I can do. So pretty exciting stuff. So there you go. I will be back with further developments in the near future. Signing off.